How much did it cost me to build out a real full stack application called Thumbio.com that is quite literally the only thumbnail editor on the market that is trained on real data and gives you the best CTR click through rate? How did I build this and how much did it cost me? Were you in luck? In this video, I'm going to tell you what it was. This video is going to remove a lot of smokes and mirrors around Corbin. I built on an application. It only costed me 10 bucks. Is it a real application? Also, Corbin, how much does it really cost to build out a real application that makes real money type of video? So let's find out. There is a ton of different ways you can build out an application. These ways encompass different app builders: Windsurf, Cursor, Base44, Cloud Code. Like, there's just a bunch of different app builders. That's not the point of this video. The point of this video is the cost associated with this. I'm gonna do another video showing you the amount of burn this software currently does for me when it comes to cloud processing, when it comes to AI image editing softwares like Nano Banana, ChatGPT 1.5. I'm gonna dive more into like the burn rate of this software, but I'm gonna tell you right now, due to a suggestion I had a good friend of mine, is how much did it actually cost to build this? Now, in some of your heads right now, you might be thinking, well, he probably paid for the Ultra plan on Cursor, so it was only like 200 bucks, right? Something like 200 bucks. Maybe that's already way above the amount that you were thinking. Maybe you were thinking like 60 bucks, 20 bucks. But we need to think realistically here. I built on Thumbio and I worked nonstop for 7 weeks straight. 7 weeks of coding. By the end of those 7 weeks, I don't even remember the exact line amount, but I think it was somewhere in the ballpark of 80,000 lines, maybe 70,000 lines of code. First major thing you need to understand about applications: what makes a MVP application all the way to a enterprise level application? Well, if you are an MVP application, typically those lines of code associated is going to be around 10 to 20K. If you're a little bit larger, we're looking at 30 to 50K. Maybe you're in the medium range. If you are a large application, we're maybe looking at the, 60 to 120K range when it comes to lines of code. Now, if you're super large, we're looking at like 150K to 300K. If you are like mega enterprise level, we're looking at like 500K plus lines of code. I say this because what you'll notice is that we're sitting at 70 to 80K lines on the MVP. That's not normal. That's like a mid-size application just out the door, built in 7 weeks. To answer your question right off the bat, how much did it cost me? Then I'll explain what that means. This costed me, give me a drum roll, 2.5K, 2,500 USD. Some of y'all right now are going to be thinking to yourself, holy smokes, Corbin, that's a lot of money. If I were to request that exact same application to be built by a developer team, we're talking let's just say an app agency, 4 or 5 engineers, the timeline they give me is like, Corbin, we'll build this application out in 6 months. Genuinely, they wouldn't be able to build out in 7 weeks. They just wouldn't. Too much workflow. Corbin, we'll build that application out in 3 to 6 months. You know what they would charge me? You want to guess? Put a number in your head right now of how much you think they would charge me to build out Thumbio.com, the ability to edit images that is better than Canvas and Photoshop, because it's quite literally a prompt input to edit images now, put on top of the underlying algorithm that I associated with this platform. You know how much that would cost me? We're looking at anywhere between the ballpark of 60K to 120K, 120,000 USD. Done in 6 months. Do you think I have time to wait 6 months for this kind of product? No. I am making this video for you to realize that there could be costs associated with building out your application. Mine was 2,500 USD. Your next question might be, well, have you made that money back? Yeah, because the product's live. It's been live for like the last 2-3 weeks. That money's back. I'm good. But the underlying workflow, the amount of input, the only thing I burned here was maybe time and money, but the knowledge compounded, the money came back to me through Stripe. So there was no loss here. In business, money makes money. You're going to have to spend money to make money. That's just a principle of business. If you wanted to approach my application or whatever your application is, and you're like, you know what, I don't want to spend 2.5K. I don't have the money to spend 2.5K, but I want to develop it. It's still possible, but you're not going to do it in 7 weeks. You're going to hit upper limits. You've hit your usage limit. You're probably going to be able to do the exact same application if you hit your head against a wall and you didn't want to pay for the pay as you go 4 to 6 months because of the amount of upper limit usage you're going to incur. Like, when it's very annoying and it's like, you've hit your Opus limit today, or like you hit your model limit today. Do you want to do pay as you go, or like whatever platform you're using, like the little upper limits? Yeah, that thing, it adds delay. And one thing you need to understand is that if you genuinely think your software product's going to win, like you think you really have a good software product idea, then putting down the money of $1,000 or $2,000 is a very, very, very intelligent decision. Y'all, I went the extra 5,000 yards in this application. If you genuinely believe in your application, you are going to go those extra 5,000 yards. I went so far, I have this thing on gold on X. If you don't know what that is, that's premium plus business. If you don't know how much that costs, look it up online. This is not a joke. I only bring this up, y'all, for you to realize that yes, if you're coming at this video and you're like, Corbin, I just want to learn how to build apps. I'm having fun. I want to, show some apps to some people. Like, let's just learn. Like, if that's the angle you're coming at, like, this is a very hyper competitive video. I understand. But if you're coming at the angle of like, Corbin, I'm building apps so I can make money, you're going to have to burn some money. There's no way of getting around that. So I want to give you context. I want to give you clarity on this because the market right now is still extremely expensive when it comes to just outsourcing application development. But what's even worse when outsourcing application development is that the person building out your application doesn't have one fundamental thing that you do. You know what that is? It's the dream. It's the I'm building this application because I actually think this is it. This is a winning product. You think the person that you're paying on that application developing team, the little agency, is going to give two about your application? No, they're just doing it for the paycheck. Give me the 120K, give me the 60K, give me the 80K. Hey, did you finish that feature yet? According to our scheduling, we're going to be able to get to that on Wednesday. It's Monday, and you're just like, so if you're serious, you have a serious idea, get ready to put some money for it. If you don't have the money, then learn Upwork, Fiverr, raise money that way, or 9 to 5, raise money that way. The big thing you got to understand is that 2.5K initially might have been like, whoa, that's a lot. But in reality, the barrier of entry to get a real software application to production level grade is extremely low. How am I running a software at production grade level where the initial cost to build the application was literally my time and 2.5K? That's unheard of. And that's what's so cool about this new era of AI. You don't need a team. And if you have a team, then you're even more of a rocket fuel. So that just about does today's video. Make sure you leave a like. I'll see you in the next. Did Corbin quite literally take a nice little leaf blower and just took all that smoke and mirrors in the room and said, you know what, this is the real cost of making a real application type of video? That money's back. I'm good.